It starts here, in the field, where durable design meets powerful performance. Better kernel processing packs more nutrition into every load. Every pass counts. We build our rolls to last, right here in America. Heavy-duty parts, smart engineering. From field to feed, Horning rolls are designed to unlock the full nutritional value of your crop. Processed kernels release more energy, fueling healthier cows and better milk production. We know because of our dairy farming background. We started manufacturing equipment in 1998 to answer the problems of our own dairy. Choose from 3 kernel processing technologies: our patented FiberTech Chevron, Sawtooth, and the original Straight Tooth. From the first cut in the field to the last drop in the tank, we're here to deliver better nutrition and tougher equipment.